Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, desktop with the Roblox account you want to access, and your phone with the Roblox app installed. Once done, open Roblox on the desktop and go to the account settings where the quick login QR option appears. This generates a unique code visible on screen. Make sure your phone's camera permission is on because you will scan that desktop QR. This pairing prevents password entry and ties the mobile session to your desktop account securely. Point your phone camera at the desktop QR code and let the scanner lock. If it struggles, move slightly closer and steady your hand. After the app reads the code, a confirmation screen shows the account name. Verify it, because this step prevents accidental logins to the wrong profile. Tap Confirm to authenticate. If offered, select Remember this device to speed future logins. This exchange uses a short-lived token, so the scan completes quickly and avoids reusing codes. After you confirm on the phone, the desktop session completes automatically and you're logged in without typing a password. If nothing happens, first refresh the QR on desktop and rescan. Make sure both devices share a stable internet connection and that the phone camera has permission. If problems persist, sign out and try again or clear app cache. Finally, if you lose a device, revoke remembered devices in account settings to stop unauthorized quick logins. This protects your account immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.